Good afternoon, Steve Greenhouse, stuckinatruck.com. Currently sitting in Lockerbie truck stop on my way back from the first Aberdeen run after our holiday. As you'll probably have gathered, there was no video last week. We were down in Cornwall and I was in two minds whether or not to automate something and send it out or just take a week off. And I had no internet signal, no phone signal, and for 6 days we were incommunicado. There was no communication at all. And you know what? It was blissful. It truly was blissful. And I think that's the first time in 10 years where I haven't been running around looking for internet hotspots, Wi-Fi. Just left it completely, and I really had a great time. Came to a sudden end on Saturday where we got up at silly o'clock to make sure that we got home in time. Max hadn't been very well while we were away, but it's all good. And so now we come back. This will be, I think, the first video of September. I bought a new package to help me launch courses. I've got two courses in mind that I want to help people with. One of them is, you know what my biggest saying is, when you know why, you will find out how. And I'm going to do a very brief, short how-to course to help you identify what motivates you and how to then keep that front and centre. It's not a course that's going to say, do this course, you'll be a millionaire in 6 weeks or 100 weeks or any crap like that. But it will help you identify what it is that you need to get you focused and move you forward, and then keep yourself accountable. Self-accountability is the single most critical part of achieving. And then the other course is very much along the same lines, and it's still being fleshed out, but it's about identifying and truly nailing your niche, your brand, who you are, what you do, how you do it, and what your value proposition to the world is, and then branching off from that, how you then monetize that. Okay, so keep watching. Videos for the next 6 weeks may become sporadic, to say the least, because it's going to be head down focus. You won't see me on social media, not that I'm on there very much anyway. I find it's a distraction. It's very corrosive. So I'm weaning myself off most social media. Okay, so that's where I am. That's what I've been up to. Didn't do much surfing because there wasn't any surf, and there was precious little wind, so I only flew my kite once, but me and Judy just had a blast, an absolute brilliant time. So yeah, here we are, back on it. If you found this on YouTube and it's the first time you found me, if you like what you're seeing, there's a subscribe button just down there. If you click the subscribe button, ring the notification bell. If you like it, give us a thumbs up. And if you've got comments or if you want something answered, please ask me a question or leave a comment in the comments below this video. Okay? Steve Greenhouse, stuckinatruck.com. Thanks for watching. You take care. Bye bye.